In this video, we'll cover how to fix the network fees issue in Coinbase Wallet. Now, this here is just a misunderstanding of how sending certain tokens work. For instance, if I needed to send, let's say, Ethereum or so forth to Binance, I would need some BNB smart chain as a transfer fee or a gas fee. And that's what the problem here really is. Maybe you're trying to transfer a certain token on a certain network and you just don't have enough of the base token or the gas token. So if I'm transferring on the Ethereum network, I need to also have some Ethereum. I can't just send it. So what you can do is you can go to any exchange, let's say Coinbase, and just buy some of that gas token. Again, this is fully going to depend on what you are trying to send and where you are trying to send it to. As I said, for instance, to Binance, you're going to need to get some BNB Smart Chain. And that is why I say it's very important that when dealing with crypto, you take the time to study up a bit on it first and just get a fundamental understanding of what you are trying to do, because you will lose money by doing something like sending to the wrong network, for instance. So that's all I have for you today. Make sure to buy some gas or transfer fee token for your network. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.